Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 10, Practical Geometry. First of all, in this chapter, what we are going to study, let us see. First, construction of a line parallel to a given line from a point outside it. Then, construction of simple triangles. Like when three sides are given, how to draw the triangle. Then a side and two angles, how to draw the triangle. Then two sides and the angle between them, and also right angle triangle. First of all, we can see how to construct a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. Last year you have learnt how to construct an angle congruent to a given angle using compasses and ruler. Here, for constructing a line parallel to a given line through a point outside it, we use the fact that when two lines are cut by a transversal, and if a pair of alternate angles or a pair of corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. Based on this fact, we are going to construct the parallel line through a point not on the given line. So, take exercise 10.1. First question. Draw a line, say AB. Take a point C outside it. So, first of all, you have to draw one line AB. Then take a point outside this line. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compasses only. So, we can start it. See here, line AB is drawn. Next, what you have to do is mark the point C outside the line. Any place, anywhere you can mark the point C. Let this point be C. Now, next, this is the first step. So, you should know the steps of construction. So, what you have to write first? Draw a line AB, mark a point C outside it. Then second step, take a point D on the line, that is AB. Then you can join CD. So, next step, take a point, let it be here. Let this point be D. Take a point D on the line AB. Then join this CD. You have to join this. Clear? Third step. With center D and any convenient radius, draw an arc to cut the line AB at two different, so at the AB at one point and also the line CD at another point. So next step, with center D and any convenient radius. See this with rounder, with the center this D. Keep it here at the point D and any radius. See, draw one arc. Okay. So that this arc will cut this AB at the point B. Let this point, mark it as, let it be X, and here let it be Y. So what's the third step? With the center D, we have drawn an arc with any measurement, so that the arc will cut the line AB at the point X and CD at the point Y. Now the next step, what you have to do is, now keep this pointer at the point C. And with the same radius, what you have done here, with the same radius, keep it at the point C. Draw an arc to cut CD at one point. So keep it here and then you draw one arc. Let this point, let it be marked as P. Mark this point as P. Next step, take this radius xy. In your compass, measure this radius, that is xy, like this. Then keep the pointer at the point P. Okay. Then draw an arc so that it can cut the previous arc at one point, like this. Clear? So the same radius xy, then keep it at the point P and draw another arc so that it can cut the previous arc at one point. And mark that point as Q. Let it be Q. Then join this CQ. Join this line, so that this line will be parallel to AB. So I hope it's clear to you. First, what we have done, drawn the line AB, then mark one point C outside the line. Then mark one point, let it be D on the line AB. Keep the compass at the point D and draw one arc of any radius, so that it cuts the line AB in one point. Then next step, with center C, draw another arc of the same measurement so that it can cut the line CD at the point P. Then take the measurement XY, then keep the compass at the point P and draw one arc so that it can cut the previous arc at one point and let it be Q. Then join CQ so that the line will be parallel to AB. If let this line be L, then we can mark this as M. Let it be. So L and M are parallel lines. Now we can see how triangles can be constructed. Triangles can be constructed uniquely if any one of the following sets of measurements are given. If three sides of a triangle are given, we can construct the triangle. Then two sides and the angle between them. Then two angles and the side between them. Then the hypotenuse and a leg in the case of right angled triangle. First, we can see how to construct a triangle when three sides are given. That is called SSS criterion. That is side, side, side criterion. When three sides are given, how to construct a triangle. Take exercise 10.2, the first question. So in all exercise, I'll show you one sample questions so that you can do the remaining in the same pattern. Construct triangle XYZ in which XY is equal to 4.5 cm, YZ is equal to 5 cm and ZX is equal to 6 cm. So is that the question clear? So three sides are given. They are XY, YZ and ZX. The triangle is XYZ. So first what you have to do is draw a rough figure of the triangle before constructing the triangle with the given data. So first of all we can draw a rough one. Here the rough sketch is done. Once you draw the rough sketch, you will get an idea of the sides of the triangle. Now, first what you have to do is the step 1. Draw a line segment YZ of 5 cm. So first, the base line segment, that is YZ, that's of 5 cm. So this idea you will get from the rough figure. So keep the scale. How much? 5 cm. So from here, then here this is 5. So this is YZ. which is 5 centimeter. Now which side you have to draw? Next, with the center Y and radius 4.5 in your compass, draw an arc of the circle. So keep it here. Then how much you have to take? 4.5. So from the scale, take 4.5. See here, up till 4.5, up till here, up till here. That is, this is 4 and 4.5. So I have taken 4.5. So keep at the point here and draw one arc of the circle. See, this is 4.5. Now, next, how much you have to take? 6 centimeter you have to take, and with the center Z, draw another arc of a circle so that it will intersect in the previous arc at one point. So 6 centimeter taken, keep at the point Z and draw another arc so that it can intersect the previous arc at one point. See the point here? This is the point. We can name it as X because this point only. So this is 4.5, here it is 6. Now next what you have to do is join this XY and XZ. Then you will get the triangle, required triangle. XY and XZ. Here 4.5 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. So XYZ is the required triangle. So steps of construction you have to write. So first step, draw a line. So step number 1, draw a line segment YZ of 5 centimeter. Then with center Y and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc of the circle. Then with center Z and radius 6 centimeter, draw another arc to cut the previous arc at the point X. Then join XY and XZ. Then triangle XYZ is the required triangle. I hope it's clear to you. So the next questions, you can solve it by yourself in your book. That is question 1 I solved. You can do 2, 3 and 4. So now we have seen how a triangle is constructed when its 3 sides are given. Next we can see the construction of a triangle when 2 sides and an included angle which is given. 2 sides and an angle between the 2 sides. So for that, take exercise 10.3, first question. Construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 centimeter, DF is equal to 3 centimeter and measure of angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. Here also, as I told you earlier, you have to draw a rough sketch, a rough figure of the given triangle you have to draw. Then using that rough sketch, you can make the required triangle. So here this is the rough figure. Now the first step, steps of construction you have to write. The first step, draw a line segment DE of 5 centimeter. So line segment DE, how much? Of 5 centimeter. This is DE, which is of 5 centimeter. This is question 1. Now next, at the point D, so here we can write DE. DE. Now, At the point D, construct a perpendicular, because here it is 90 degree. So you can construct the angle 90 degree using protractor also, but here we are using compass. At the point D, construct a perpendicular to line segment DE. So how to draw the line perpendicular, you have already learned in your previous class. So using the compass. So here using compass, the perpendicular line segment. Mark this as, let this be A, DA. And in this DA, with center D and a radius 3 centimeter, because you know that. So here it is how much? 5 centimeter. So rough figure I have not marked. Here 5 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. Already we have drawn 5 centimeter. Now with center D and radius 3 centimeter, draw an arc to cut this DA at one point and mark that point as F. So you have to take 3 centimeter using your scale. So taken 3 centimeter, keep at the point D and draw one arc and mark this point as F. So this is F. So here also this point, okay, mark it as F. Then what to do next? Join E and F. So this is 3 centimeter. So triangle DEF is the required triangle. Once again, listen to the steps of construction. First of all, draw the rough figure and mark the measurements. Then draw a line segment DE of 5 centimeter. As the angle given, it is 90 degree. At D, construct a perpendicular, that is DA to the line segment DE. Then with center D and radius 3 centimeter, draw an arc that can cut DA at the point F. Then join EF. Triangle DEF is the required triangle. I hope it's clear to you. Then you can try the remaining questions of exercise 10.3. Now we can see how to construct a triangle when two angles and the included side are given. That is ASA criterion. For that, take exercise 10.4. Question 1. Construct triangle ABC. Given measurement of angle A is equal to 60 degree, measurement of angle B 30 degree, and AB 5.8 centimeter. First we can draw the rough figure. So this is the rough figure. First you will draw AB of length 5.8 centimeter. Then through the point A, draw an angle of 60 degree, and through the point B, draw an angle of 30 degree. These two lines will intersect in one point that you mark it as C. You already learned how to construct angle of 60 degree and how to construct angle of 30 degree using compasses. So first we can draw AB of 5.8 centimeter. So AB of length 5.8 centimeter is drawn. Now through the point A, draw an angle of 60 degree using compass. For that, first we will draw an arc with the center A. See, with A suitable radius, draw one arc. Then from here, that's the same radius, draw another arc. So through this point of intersection, you draw the line that will be angle 60 degree. Now here the angle B is 30 degree. For that, first you can draw angle 60 and then bisect it. Then you will get angle 30. See here, 60° first drawn, then bisected, then you will get angle 30°. And when you draw angle 30, both these lines will meet in one point. Okay, so let it be Y. Here it is X. AY and BX meet at one point, mark it as C. So ABC is the required triangle. Now listen to the steps of construction once again. First point, draw a line segment AB of 5.8 cm. Then construct angle YAB of measurement 60° using compasses and ruler. Then we can construct angle XBA of 30° using compass and ruler. Then AY and BX, they intersect each other at one point, that is C. So triangle ABC is the required triangle. Okay. So next, how to construct a right angled triangle when the length of one leg and its hypotenuse are given. That is RHS criterion. So exercise 10.5. So listen to the first question. Construct the right angled triangle PQR where measurement of angle Q is equal to 90°, QR is equal to 8 cm and PR is equal to 10 cm. As we had done earlier, here also we will draw one rough figure. So here listen. First what you have to do is draw line segment QR of 8 cm. So line segment QR of 8 cm. That's the first step. Now next, at the point Q, draw a perpendicular to QR. You know how to draw the perpendicular. So here, because we want a right angle triangle and the angle here it is 90°. So at the point Q, a perpendicular which is drawn so that the angle here it is 90°. And let this be X. Now, what's the next step? With center R and radius 10 cm, draw an arc to cut this QX at the point P. So keep at the point R, this point. Then in your compass you have to measure 10 cm. Then draw an arc with center R so that it will cut the ray QX at the point P. See, this is 10 cm taken. Keep at this point R, then draw one arc. So mark this point as P. Then join PR. So this is 10 cm. PQR is the required right angle triangle. Once again, listen to the steps of construction, that's important. So first step, draw a line segment QR of length 8 cm. At the point Q, construct a perpendicular QX to QR. That is angle PQR. Sorry, not PQR here, XQR. It is 90°. With center R and radius 10 cm, draw an arc to cut QX at the point P. Then join PR. Triangle PQR is the required right angle triangle. So here we have done all the constructions. First one, how to draw a parallel line through a point outside the line. Then construction of triangle. First one using SSS criterion. Second one SAS, then ASA, and then RHS criterion. So practice the remaining sums from your textbook. Thank you.